welcome back to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again. So today we're going to be doing a vlog and we're going to be telling you guys like about our Christmas and what happened to us on Christmas Day and why we couldn't celebrate
Christmas.
Yes, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And today is not actually Christmas Day. Yeah, today is not Christmas Day, but we're finally celebrating our Christmas today. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Join us and celebrate our Christmas today. Officially today. Jeez. Okay guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like our video, and Merry Christmas to all our subscribers. You guys have been super amazing. We love you guys. Merry Christmas to you guys. Let's go right into the video again. We're not going like this, we're going like this. What up? How you doing?
Our Christmas cooking has started though.
Yep. Really started. What's up?
Why are you wearing hoodie in the kitchen?
Huh?
Why are you wearing hoodie in the kitchen?
Because we just came from outside and I don't have time to take it off.
Because we just came from outside and not time to take it off.
Like this place is too full. I have to reduce it, or I have to use another pot.
Let's carry some of this.
Thank you.
I failed woefully in my Japanese 101.
Really failed. So, let's just keep it on back.
I'll also drop the camera to help you out.
No problem, you can take your time today. I think that's fine. So guys, our Christmas cake. I love it, it's so cute. Yeah, we got Christmas cake. Cooking. I made J rice.
Josh rice.
Huh?
Josh rice.
J rice, jollof rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I made jollof rice. Why you stuck like that?
Why is the stuff difficult to open?
Really? Should I try woman power?
Yeah, try. You try it now. Give me.
Thank you. Just because I rub.
Yeah, I know.
It's because I rub cream. That's why.
I say I know.
I'm serious.
I know.
Let's eat. I'm hungry. Thanks.
So she made jollof rice with
guys.
With coleslaw.
We didn't want to do jollof and fried.
We're just two in the house, so making jollof.
It's just going to be too much, too extra.
So that's it. So I want to taste it for the first time. I know she knows how to cook very well, so I'm salivating already.
I'm salivating. How is it? I can do your eyes like that now. Give us review.
I need to close my soul. I need to let my mind and my body and my soul connect to the food. Before I can. I need to go for another taste before.
You're not serious. How am I waiting for you to say something? If you like, don't eat.
Guys, this stuff tastes like heaven. Where's the egg now?
It's mixed with it now.
How did you cut it small?
Like circular. I just ate one egg here.
I've seen one. But guys, like this stuff really tastes nice. Like J rice.
J rice.
Really tastes J rice.
Okay. Back to our video. Merry Christmas to everyone, to our subscribers. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had this wonderful Christmas celebration. For us, are you going to bust the bubble or I should be the one to? For us guys, today is not Christmas. Today is not December 25th. If you can see this,
today is December 26th.
Yeah, it's December.
Guys, like 25th, blah blah blah.
Yeah, like Christmas. You say Merry Christmas.
Even those following us on IG, on WhatsApp, and everything, you guys will notice we've not even posted anything really.
Anything at all.
Truth is, it's been a stressful day for us. The truth is, in Japan, there is no Christmas holiday. You don't have a Christmas holiday. They celebrate Christmas, but it's not a thing.
They celebrate Christmas.
They celebrate Christmas, but it's not a thing.
It's not an holiday.
It's not something official in Japan. You celebrating Christmas is something personal. That's how I say something personal. So it's not something like a thing in Japan. So on 25th, you have to go to work. You have to come to work. You have to work as normal. Even for students, you have to go to school, university, high school, junior high school, elementary schools. You have to go to school on 25th. So there's no special holiday.
No special holiday.
Yeah, no special holiday. I don't know. It's generally no special holiday. You have to go to work. Wherever you are working, you have to go to work. And that's it. So that's just the whole thing. So 25th for us is always working day. So sorry. So try yesterday. We're very, very tired when we go back from work. We came back late. We came in late and we're very, very tired.
Very tired. The Christmas didn't even go as planned at all.
Like it didn't even feel like Christmas.
It didn't even feel like Christmas yesterday.
In Japan, that's Japan for you. Actually, Christmas doesn't really feel like Christmas. Unlike in Nigeria, where you have this from 24th.
From 24th, you feel that vibe.
There's this vibe, like it's not even from 24th, from like a week or two from time. Like there's this feel around in the air. Like you guys feel this vibe. Everywhere is bubbly.
So Christmas is
coming. But in Japan, trust me, guys, it's just a normal day. Trust me, and if we tell you guys how they celebrate their Christmas, you guys will laugh. For Japanese, how they celebrate their Christmas, if you ask a typical Japanese person, what are you going to do for Christmas? What are you guys doing? What are you going to eat and everything? The only thing they tell you is, we'll get Christmas cake and we'll get chicken. some won't tell you KFC. They'll just say we get chicken.
I know they usually say that's the way they celebrate Christmas.
So that's how they celebrate Christmas in Japan. Chicken and cake.
They are good to go.
Yeah, and that's for those that believe in Christmas. And for those that doesn't believe in Christmas, they don't. They just live their normal day.
Somewhere in the world, people are doing December 25th.
And I think,
but the funny thing is, like, they usually do decors, like they do the Christmas illumination thing, Christmas decor all over the street, in the malls, everywhere. It's just going to be like so beautiful, nice decorations. Like, it's just because we've not really gone out, we've been really busy. But if we had vlogged outside, like so many lights everywhere. But they don't have holiday for it though.
It's a rough estimate, not real. About 40% of Japanese don't actually believe in Christmas. So it's something new. The tradition is new.
Like a new
it's a very new tradition. Something they just started they started very few years ago. It's not something very new, and so it's something very new. It's not something of old that
they've been doing.
Yeah, so even now it's just something new. Most of the kids just know that you see Santa. I think they're just trying to pick from the Western imagination of what Christmas feels like and just impute into their system. But really, Christmas is not a thing for them. It's not in their thing. It's not like
Japan isn't so much of a religious country.
No.
They're not so much of a religious country, so that's why.
So that is not even in their agenda. So I feel that's the reason why they've not actually made it a holiday.
But for the Christmas one, I was really hoping, like, I hope that one day though they kind of have it as part of the holiday, but at the same time it's their culture and it's how they've been and how they've grown up. It's not really seeing religion as so that's all. Like, Christmas is like a religious holiday.
Muslims celebrating Christmas.
Muslims celebrate Christmas now.
Oh, it's Muslims celebrating Christmas.
But growing up, all we knew is that Christmas was a day to mark the birth of Jesus Christ, and is mainly celebrated among Christians, right? But like, as the world is going, like, everybody's celebrating Christmas, but be Christians or Muslim, and that's actually good to me. It's good that everyone is celebrating it. I don't see it as a bad thing though.
I just actually saw a tweet now where someone is saying something like last year Mohamed Salah, there's one Liverpool player, he celebrated Christmas, and some Muslims on Twitter, they came for him and was like, it's wrong, why would you celebrate Christmas, and why will he celebrate Christmas? He's Muslim, they don't believe in black. This year he celebrated, he wore the full costume for Christmas and everything, with tree and everything. Yeah, sorry, so he wore costume for everything. So I just like, over the years, it's very good for me. It's very good over the years. Come on, even for me, it's just not it, guy. Yeah. In Japan, no.
So that's why December 26th is when we're celebrating our own Christmas. Because yesterday was very busy for us.
Thank God it actually fell on the weekend though. If it had to be like on a Friday or something,
on Thursday. I go to work on Friday.
I go to work on Friday. So can we fell on the weekend? 26 fell on the weekend.
But good thing we have New Year holiday, so.
Oh, then I
can just imagine if they don't have like New Year and Christmas. Oh my God. I'm actually going to take my own personal holiday and just be like,
you have to give us a break, come on. No workaholic, please. You have to cut me some slack. That's right.
It makes sense. So I'm getting food, and you said this before.
I told you. You wanted to bring out cake.
I wanted to bring out cake.
Yeah. Are you sure you have stomach for it?
I won't be able to finish it.
Come on, you won't. Even me, I'm getting food.
I swear. That's what happens every time. I take a lot of food, guys, and then because we always eat together, I'll just eat my own part. You really won't finish the remaining one.
That's why I'm getting fatter.
You're getting fatter, and let's start eating separately now. Take your plate, I take my own. Oh my God. So yeah, that's it.
And for those who are like eating with us, guys, we will keep yours for you. Because it's really good.
Join us, please. so nice.
Maybe this 2021 I'll open my own kitchen.
What?
My kitchen.
When?
Be a chef.
Yeah, beginning to dream, Abby.
I'll open my own kitchen and just
do what? Start cooking? Chef. Or you that you're still cooking and you're still using phone to check some recipe? Well,
I'm not an island of knowledge, so I need to still make research, surf the internet to know how far. You want more juice? Seriously, just finish the bottle.
Okay. That was how our own Christmas went, and that was how everything did. So Christmas in Japan is way different from how we view Christmas growing up.
If you're coming to Japan, have it at the back of your mind. On the 25th, is either you go back to Nigeria.
Yeah, it's not Christmas holiday.
Yeah, you just take holiday and you go.
And you go. Or when you're at work. You can actually take holiday at work as well.
And you stay home.
Yeah, you stay home.
Generally,
yeah, we didn't do that.
Aside from this year, just that generally, the feeling is not there. There's this Christmas
so
feeling.
You end up taking the holiday safe and you're at home. Everybody has, like, everyone goes to work. The whole area feels so silent that you don't feel like, why did I even take the holiday in the first place?
Generally, there's this feel. I don't know. Maybe I'm having too much thoughts of my childhood and everything. But in Nigeria, there's this strong Christmas vibe you get. Most especially when you start listening to, you walk down the street and you guys start hearing Christmas songs and all those things. You feel like, oh, it's Christmas.
Or you travel to the village and chill. Jeez.
I told some of my colleagues, they asked me like, how do you guys celebrate Christmas? I tell them we cook big size, then we share to.
You know that party food.
Yeah, and you share to your neighbors and your this and it's like, huh? Really? Hey? Why? Like, you know, that's how we celebrate Christmas, man. We cook, we share, and I give you mine, you give me yours. We just share our food like that. No. So that was it.
Okay, guys, that's all. Very full. I don't think I can continue anymore. We'll just keep the rest. As for the cake, we'll eat it later at night. Probably when we're watching movies.
I'll continue for you.
You continue. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and we see you guys in the next one. Can you join me in this, please?
Okay, we'll see you guys in the next one.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.